Hello, Warner family. My name is Linda Hampton, Preschool Director. The Preschool Department has the privilege to share Jesus with and serve over 200 preschoolers daily. Our program runs year-round and is intended as a help to our community. I'm excited to announce that on November 2nd, starting at 9:30 a.m., we will be having our second annual Love and Unity in Our Community Parade right here at Warner Christian Academy. The Love and Unity in Our Community Parade is an event where our entire WCA student body, faculty, and staff marches around campus to show our love for our community. The parade will be led by the Warner Velvet Blues drum line, followed by our preschool students wearing special t-shirts and carrying signs encouraging love and unity, followed by the entire Warner Christian Academy student body from grades kindergarten through grade 12. South Daytona Interim Police Chief Gerald Monahan, South Daytona Police Captain Mark Cheatham, and South Daytona Fire Chief David Giles, and members of their team will be joining this community walk, both as a show of their support and to provide traffic and safety services. As the participants walk, we will be covering our community, its leaders, and its first responders in prayer. We hope this parade will expand in the numbers of groups and individuals who will participate. My prayer is that you will join us for this exciting event. I hope to see you there, and may God bless you all.